We're excited about the new material we've created for our pastors and churches called We Believe, Transformative Truth for a Life of Worship and Mission. Let's take a quick look at the material and how you can utilize it in your church. We will look at each word in the title. First of all, we discover truth in community. We Believe offers church members the chance to grow in a relational setting. Next, believe. Doctrine is an organized way to teach and learn the Bible. It will shape how we live, what we say to non-believers, and how we interact with the contemporary world. Then, transformative. The primary goal of doctrinal study is personal change. God's Word is how He transforms us into His image. Then, truth. In We Believe, we interact with God's truth as men and women throughout church history have applied it. This will press our roots deep into the unshakable realities of the gospel. Then life. Doctrine will first change the way we believe, then it will change our hearts, and then it will change how we live. That leads to worship. The first result of an in-depth study of God's Word is a greater love for Him. This will produce a greater desire to worship Him in all of life. And then lastly, mission. The second result of an in-depth study of God's Word is a greater love for people. This will produce a greater desire to proclaim Him in all of life. How can it be used? Well, to give churches the flexibility to meet their training needs, we designed We Believe for as many formats as possible. Some will use it for small groups, others for individual study, and others for a regular church training course. But no matter how you use it, we hope that We Believe will become a vital part of your church leadership training program.